Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on automatic recording for your Zoom meetings on mobile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home screen where you can access all your meeting options and settings. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a 3 dotted lines icon there. Go ahead and tap on it to reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, select Meet with Personal ID. This option allows you to configure settings specifically for meetings that use your personal meeting ID, which is essential for setting up automatic recording. Next, you'll need to tap on Edit Meeting. This takes you into the settings panel where you can customize various aspects of how your meetings function. It's here that you'll be able to access the more advanced features that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. Once you're in the meeting settings, scroll down through the available options. You're looking for a section called Advanced Options. Tap on it to expand this menu. This section contains more technical settings that give you greater control over your meeting behavior, including recording preferences. Inside Advanced Options, look for the setting labeled Automatically Record Meeting. You'll see a toggle switch right beside it. Tap this toggle to turn it on. By enabling this feature, you're telling Zoom to begin recording as soon as you start any meeting with your personal ID. This is incredibly useful if you frequently need recordings for documentation, training, or reference purposes, as it eliminates the need to remember to tap the record button manually every time. After you've turned on the toggle, your settings are saved automatically. From this point forward, whenever you start a meeting using your personal ID, Zoom will automatically start recording instead of requiring you to tap record manually. This ensures you never miss capturing important discussions or presentations simply because you forgot to press record. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Zoom app to automatically record all your meetings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.